Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the obvious but necessary items. Turn off Do Not Disturb and set volume so alerts can be heard. Next, go into Settings and Open Apps, then show System Apps to find notification access. Grant permission for the launcher and any messaging apps. You do this because apps need explicit permission to post notifications. Once granted, Android can deliver banners and sounds. Make sure to toggle on notification categories for critical alerts so you don't miss urgent messages. Once basic permissions are set, tackle battery and app behavior that silently blocks notifications. Open battery settings and disable optimization for affected apps so Android won't freeze background processes. Then clear the app cache and, if needed, app data. Force stop and relaunch to reset its notification service. Also inspect device care and the auto start list. Allow apps to start in background. These steps prevent aggressive power management from delaying or dropping notifications that should arrive instantly. Finish by checking connectivity and software currency. Test notifications on Wi-Fi and mobile data, and briefly toggle airplane mode to reset connections. Install any pending system or app updates and reboot. Updates often fix notification bugs. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore disabled notifications or boot into safe mode to find interfering apps. One key troubleshooting tip. If safe mode shows notifications working, uninstall recent apps added before the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.